Alright, I'm going to be doing a speed tutorial on how to make toggles for your VRChat avatar. So you want to have your ideal thing that you want to be toggled on. So for me, it's going to be a katana or a sword. So what you want to do first is drag and drop it to your avatar. Now, if it's something for, like, say a gun or a sword, you're going to want it to track your hand. So drag and drop it to whatever bone is like your hands. Now, it's going to look maybe like this, a really big thing in the sky. So what you want to do here is you want to unpack prefab, and if it's already white, then you don't have to do anything. But if it's blue, then you have to, like this. If it's blue like this, you have to right click, then unpack. And then for me, I'm only doing the sword today, so I'm just gonna delete this, leave it with this. Now, in order to scale it down, you'll go up here, and I know exactly the size that I want. So you can just play around with the size as you need, and then you'll move it to your avatar. So position it to where you want it to be. So again, I said I want it positioned on my left hand. So I'll get that in positions. Then once I do, get going with the next step of the process. So I would say that's perfect for now. Now what I need to do is find in my avatar. Need to find something that looks like this. Now it might not be different. It might be different for everybody, but you'll need to find something that looks like this. Alright? So what you want to do, add parameter, name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it sword because that's what I'm doing. Then you want to come to the menu. You want to find the avatar that you're using right now. So this avatar is called Soya, and then what you want to do is either make a toggle for this by doing this and naming it sword, or putting it in one of the sub menus and doing the same thing. Alright, so then you need to move to the parameters. These are the parameters. Because I made sword, I can now find sword right down here. Boom. Alright, the last step in what you want to do is you want to make an animation. So create animation, name it whatever you want, whatever you're trying to put on there, naming it sword again. Then what you want to do is you want to go to the animator up here, and then click the plus tab. I'm naming everything sword, just so it's easier to track. And then the most important thing, you need to put the weight to 1. If you don't, then it's not going to work properly. Then click bool, scroll down, and then name it whatever you want. Alright, this is your animator right here. So what you want to do first is you have your animation, want to right click, create state, then empty first. Then drag the animate right there, make a transition. Bam, bam, right click. Then what you want to do, go into the line, click the line, conditions, plus, new float, scroll all the way down, sword. This will activate your animation. So if it says true, it'll activate it in the game. Do the same thing here, but this time you're going to do it false, because this is going to turn it off. Now, with that being said, I'm going back to my avatar. In order to make the entire animation happen, you're going to come here, then you're going to find your FX layer. So this entire model is called a Cobodol. So that's the FX layer here. And then what you want to do is you want to go to animation. So if you don't have the animation tab, add tab, and then animation, like that. Alright, now you're going to find your animation. So sword, and then most simple process of them all. You're just going to turn this off so it's not showing. You're going to click the record button, turn it back on. Once you did that, you're going to turn it off. What that's going to do is that's going to record it. So now it knows, oh, this needs to be turned on, or oh, this needs to be turned off. Now, what you want to do to get it out of this position is to go back here and press none. And there you go. That is a successful avatar toggle on your avatar. Now, I have this tool that emulates a 3.0 avatar in Unity, so I don't have to load it up to Unity every time I want to see it. So I'm just going to go up here, do that. It's going to look a little weird because of the clothing for this specific avatar. It's not going to look the same for everyone else, but seeing here, sword, bam, it appears. That's when you know your toggle is working. That's all, and I hope you get what you're looking for. Thanks for watching.